Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best exhausts for the 5.3 Silverado that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for better performance, a richer sound, or durability, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the exhaust headers from Certified Automotive Experts. These headers are designed for 2002 to 2013 Silverado and other LS-style V8 engines, making them a direct fit replacement for many GM trucks and SUVs. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these headers offer excellent resistance to heat, corrosion, and vibration fatigue. They feature 1 5/8-inch mandrel-bent primary tubes for enhanced exhaust flow, boosting horsepower and throttle response. One standout feature is the beveled ball-and-socket flange on the passenger side, designed for vehicles with donut-style gaskets. The construction quality is impressive, with laser-cut 3/8-inch flanges ensuring a precise, leak-free seal. However, installation may require careful fitment checks, especially for newer vehicles with Gen V LT Series engines, which are incompatible. While this product offers solid performance upgrades, some users report difficulty with alignment during installation. Additionally, it lacks the universal compatibility of other products on this list. For those with older Silverado models looking to replace restrictive factory manifolds, this is a good choice, but its limited fitment and mid-tier customer reviews place it at number 5. At number 4, we have the Mack Auto Parts Replacement Exhaust Pipe System for 1999 to 2006 Silverado models. This system is tailored specifically for 5.3L engines with a 116-inch wheelbase and includes everything you need for installation, from extension pipes to clamps. It's a budget-friendly option for those looking to replace their stock exhaust without breaking the bank. The build quality is decent, featuring a combination of aluminized steel components that offer moderate resistance to corrosion. While it's not as robust as stainless steel, it gets the job done for most daily drivers. However, you'll need to measure your wheelbase carefully before purchasing to ensure compatibility. Performance-wise, it's more of a direct replacement than an upgrade, so don't expect significant power or sound improvements. On the downside, some users have reported fitment challenges and the need for minor modifications during installation. This exhaust system is best suited for those who want an affordable, no-frills replacement for their aging factory exhaust. It doesn't offer the performance or design enhancements of higher-tier options, which is why it ranks at number 4. Coming in at number 3 is the FOAMUZ High-Flow Front Catalytic Converter Kit. This product is a lifesaver for those dealing with a P0420 code or stolen catalytic converters. Designed to be a direct fit replacement for 1999 to 2006 Silverado models, it complies with EPA and OBD2 standards, offering a clean and quiet driving experience. The use of stainless steel and high-temperature ceramic ensures durability and longevity. Its high-flow design improves exhaust performance while maintaining emissions compliance, making it a great choice for restoring power and fuel efficiency. However, it's important to note that this product is not available in states with stricter emission standards like California and New York. While this catalytic converter delivers solid performance, it's more of a repair solution than an upgrade. The lifetime warranty adds peace of mind, but its niche application and lack of sound or power enhancements keep it at number 3. Ideal for those needing a reliable fix for emission issues, this is a solid mid-tier option. Number 2, we have the Auto Dynasty 4-inch catback exhaust system. Designed for 2014 to 2019 Silverado and Sierra models, this system is a fantastic upgrade for those seeking improved sound and performance. Its dual-exit design enhances exhaust flow, delivering a deeper, more aggressive tone without being overly loud. The construction is top-notch, with stainless steel piping and TIG-welded CNC machining for durability. The mandrel-bent design ensures smooth airflow, while the black metallic finish adds a sleek, aggressive look. Installation is straightforward, making it a great option for DIY enthusiasts. While this catback system offers excellent performance and aesthetics, it doesn't fit two-wheel drive crew cabs with two-piece drive shafts, which could limit compatibility. Overall, it's a near-perfect choice for those seeking a balance between style, sound, and performance. Its premium design earns it the number 2 spot. Finally, at number 1, we have the a-karck Performance Exhaust Tailpipe Muffler. Designed for 2014 to 2021 Silverado and Sierra models, this product stands out for its simplicity, durability, and performance gains. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's corrosion-resistant and built to last, even in harsh conditions. One of its biggest advantages is its universal fit and ease of installation, thanks to the included clamps. The design promotes better exhaust flow, enhancing engine performance and delivering a noticeable improvement in both power and sound. The chrome exterior adds a touch of style, making it a functional yet visually appealing upgrade. With a 1-year warranty and stellar customer reviews, this exhaust system is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their truck's performance without a complicated installation process. Its combination of quality, ease of use, and performance makes it our top pick for 5.3 Silverado owners. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.